Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku number 9585. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. The 4 star Sudoku in the additional has always 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos, 3 twos, 4 threes. All right, 2 fours, 2 fives, 4 sixes. Well. How about the sevens? 1 7 and 3 8s. So the 3s and the 8s, the 3s and the 6s are in majority. Can I start with the 3? That's the question. 3 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only 2 places, level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only place level 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Now I need to wait. How about the 6s then? 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. That means the 6 should be in these 2 boxes together with the 3, I believe. Yes. Yeah. We have a pair here. Let me show you. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places level 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And how about the 6? In this row, we need a 6. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. And here can be 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 in the second row could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. All right. And a 9. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. Only 3 places level 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 8 in the first column, so the column 3. The second column, the only 2 places level 8. Could be here, could be there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left on the 9 in the middle row. Should be there. And I believe we have a pair. The 9 and the 6 in this column. The 9 and 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 6, 9 and 6. Okay. Then, need a 9 there or here. 4, 4. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and the 7 in the last row. No 4 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So we've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there. So 1 number left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Okay, 1 number left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, 5, need a 5 here or there. Need a 5 here or there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 5. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. I believe we have a well, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 9. 4, 7, and need a 2 here. I need a 2 in this row. 2 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. So the 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. And I need a 5 here. And I need a 5 there. That means in this row we need a 5 in one of these 2 boxes. Okay, the 5, I need a 4, and I need a 7. 7. Okay. 1, 1. 2 numbers left now in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. No, we have a 2 again. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. These 3 missing numbers in the middle are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. Okay. Let me think. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. Well, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 1 here. Thinking. 8, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9, 7, no 9 here, 9, 9. Need an 8 here or there. Yeah, in this big square we need an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here or there in this big square. Here or there, we see another 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Mark those two boxes in with 8. We have 8 now in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then... need a 7. 7. Need a 1. 1, 1. Need a 2. No 2 here. 3. No 9. Yeah. No 1 there. I need a 1 in this big square. Well, 4, 5, 7. And these 3 boxes can be 1. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column 3. Now we need to place left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 8. I need a 2 here. And I need a 6 here. Well, the 6 should be there then. You have already a 6 in this row. Interesting. Come on. 8. Need a 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Well, in this big square we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. In this big square, shoot me there. Need a 4 there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Here we have a pair. Here we have a pair. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 1, 4, 7. 4, 7 and the 2. No 2 here. 2, 2. Need a 5 there. Need a 4 there. 3 and 6. How about here? 1, 7 and the 9. 1, 7 and 9. We have a 7 here. We have a 9 here. So here can be 9. So the only place left for the 9 in the second row should be there then. Yep. 1 and a 7. So this box should be 1 and a 7. Left. So we have a 9 in the first column, 9 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left. 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So 1 is left in this second column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. And we have a pair, the 7 and 5 in the first column, the 7 and 5 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, the 7 and the 5 goes in these two boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square van der Mare. The 1 is missing here. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the 1 is missing. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 over 7, we have 1 now, so this box should be a 7. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So the other 2 numbers should be 5 and the 7. And here also 2 numbers left for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Well. Here 1 and the 7. We already have a 7 in, in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6. 6, 6. So there should be the 6. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 goes there then. So the 5 and the 7. And the 2 is missing here. Yeah. 5, 7. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 5 and 7. So that 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Need a 2 here or there. Yeah. 5, 7, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. Yeah. 9 and a 6. Need a 3. Need a 7. Well. 5 and a 7. We already have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 6, 7, 3. We already have a 3 here. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 6 goes there. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and the 4 and the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 9 are missing. 4 and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have 4 in the third one. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. Now, 9 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And then 9 goes there. 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5. We have 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Well, this one I have a little bit troubles. But I'm faster than 20 minutes. So cannot be a 4. Can be a 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the evening. Well, it's evening now. I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.